President Emerson Mnangagwa addressed war veterans in Harare on Friday during the third War Veterans National Assembly, reassuring them of his administration's commitment to their welfare amid ongoing unrest within ZANU-PF. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuda panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino achiuda pachina taura achiti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe 2028 my-elections takaenda ndokuba subscribe like utombe bell icon. Timina munozeri mubudani kwamchinzi. Speaking at the assembly held at ZANU-PF headquarters, Mnangagwa emphasized party readiness to navigate regional challenges facing liberation movements. We must be conscious about the challenges facing liberation movements in the region, and we say we as ZANU-PF are ready. We are going to witness several developments on our liberation sites as we continue to honor them, he said. Mnangagwa also called on war veterans to intensify grassroots mobilization in preparation for the 2028 elections. Going forward, as we are now focusing on winning resoundingly the 2028 elections, as war veterans, we must scale up our grassroots mobilization, he added. On matters of welfare, the president highlighted the government's initiatives aimed at supporting war veterans and their families to secure your welfare, and I have set up a ministry to fulfill constitutional obligations to honor you. The Second Republic remains committed to honor you. I introduced the Presidential War Veterans Fund to empower your household income distribution of tractors under the War Veterans Empowerment Fund, he began, Mnangagwa said. Thomas Shokotagwa ndemtungamiri wenyika panguva ine pari kuitika this unrest in the ruling party ZANU-PF panhau dzesuccession. Panguva ino achikuda pachina achiti 2028 elections sezvirombotaurwa nevamwe aiwa vachiti ma-2028 elections adhimisisiwa kusina. Mutungamiri wenyika ari kutaura otherwise achiti we are now preparing for ma-2020 elections. Zviri kuonekwa nevanhu vachiti aiwa dzimwe nguva zvinotaurwa nebato the ruling party ZANU-PF amufani kunyanya kuzvibatisisa nokuda kuti munogona kungomuka yakachinja ma-statements again. Tudze mafunguro enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndina comment section medu mafunguro enyu.